Ladies and gentlemen, there's a breaking news for you to listen to. I have with me the real authentic, a national leader of Edo State and Nigeria in general. This is now, look, there's a new sheriff in town.
There's a new sheriff in town.
There's a new sheriff in town. Yes. Look, Chief, how do you feel right now?
I feel good, and I believe what just happened will help to deepen our democracy. There is need for internal democracy in all political parties, not just PDP, so that people can have faith in the processes that will throw up the candidate at the end of the day. And once you adhere to the guidelines and the constitution of the party, people will accept the outcome of whatever the results may be. And it's only when you just go about it as if people don't have a right to decide who to represent them. That is when you have crisis of this nature. It's quite unfortunate. Unfortunately, this is happening at a time that OBASEKI and a handful of his supporters have said they have expelled me from PDP. I led this party in Edo State for about 12 years. And in the history of our party, we've never had primaries that people will have any reason to go to court to contest the outcome. This is the first time that we will have primaries and people will go to court. Totally avoidable. But this is where we are. And we just have to ask.
Let me say this, you invited them, which, of course, you remember I told you that this man you are accepting, you will regret. And this somebody you gave them a house, you gave them food to eat. They were hungry, they were homeless. You gave them shelter, and they took over your home. They took over the plate and the spoon after eating the food. Now, this is what life is all about. There's always tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You don't know what tomorrow holds. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Someone that gave you opportunity. When you were driven away, you didn't have nowhere, no bed, no pillow, no room to sleep. This man said, okay, rain was beating you. He carried umbrella cover you. You say, when you got there, you disabuse APC, you disabuse PDP. You see, God is the ultimate. God is the ultimate. Love is God and God is love. Now, the one who stood by you and fought for you, after a while, you say he's nobody. The real deputy governor, he said he's no longer the deputy. And here he is today, celebrating. Now God get power.
God get power. Now God get power.
Amata. Listen, you want to dance? Dance. Yeah. Ọgbọ́n wọn yẹn ṣe. A betrayer remains a betrayer. Ọgbọ́n wọn yẹn ṣe. Màá kíkọ́ lẹ̀wẹ̀ dó. Ọba àtọ́pẹ̀. Yes,